Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for being here with me today. So I'm pouring on it's an MDF, it's actually a placemat. It's 13 inches and I've put my white pillow paint down and the black is Byron, that's the brand of the paint, and it's just mixed exactly the same as my other colours, just with my pouring medium, the untinted gloss pouring medium. I don't put any Jo Sonja in this though when I make it as a faux pillow. I just put a little bit of water instead of the Jo Sonja. First colour is TLP Abalone, which is one of their new release pigments, and that's Jo Sonja Aqua. Another TLP Rad, that's neon red, sort of the new ones. TLP Unicorn, which is a colour shifting blue to violet pigment. And TLP Psych, another of their new colours. This is neon teal. And Pebeo Cobalt Violet Deep. That's my last colour down. And my cell activators today are titanium white, and it's actually equal parts of Atelier and Amsterdam. And then I've got Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, and I also just briefly showed you the bottle of Boom Gel Willy Wagtail Black, which I put on top of my cell activators. And this is a terrible swipe. Not sure whether eventually the cells would have popped up, but I end up putting some more colours down and trying again, because that was a disaster. Okay then, so I'm going to be scooping and dragging this. I'm not really intending for these cells to stay. All I wanted was a real abstract minimalistic look, but I love the effect of when you scoop and drag. I love the lines, so I wasn't bothered about spinning off what little cells there were. I just wanted to get the colour blending and the lines basically from scooping the actual cells. So that's why I've done it right on the edge. That's why I'm not concerned when I spin it off. So I'll let you carry on watching, and thank you all for being here with me, and everybody take care, stay safe, and as always, all the details are listed in the description box below. Thanks guys, bye.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Every little inch of my skin. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh.